Hello, people! Let me show my favorite place in Vietnam. It is the beach. Whenever I feel sad or little overwhelmed, I just come here and spend a lot of time seeing the people and waves, the ups and downs of the ocean. I just get inspired that life also is the same. Going close to the nature makes me feel lighter and reload my energy. Are you a nature person too? Let me know in the comments. Do follow me for more such videos.